Hey folks, Alan Manick, the HotRodHippie here, coming to you from SEMA 2018. I'm in the Lincoln Electric booth and I'm checking out their new PowerMIG 260, a refresh from their previous PowerMIG 256, a major upgrade, a complete redesign on this unit. It's really interesting. Let's go ahead and check it out. So digital controls are not new when it comes to the PowerMIGs. However, this one has a full LCD display screen on it to really show you the settings you're setting and fine-tune things. It has auto settings built in, so you can go ahead and dial in, whether you're running flux core, whether you're running flux core with gas, gas alone, steel, stainless steel, how thick the material you are welding on is. You can dial all that in and it'll give you a baseline idea of where your setting should be for voltage and wire speed, so you can get your amperage dialed in. Then you can go ahead and you can dial it in manually from there if you want, or you can set it to begin with and manually dial it in as well. They're not taking the control out of your hands, they're just giving you a little bit easier baseline option than looking at the charts that are usually in the machine or something like that. Personally, I generally do follow the manufacturer specifications for base settings, and then I fine-tune off of a couple test pieces before I do my real serious welding work. This machine is also capable of using a push-pull gun. This is the basest model of machine personally that I've seen that allows you to do that for high-quality aluminum MIG welding. You can also, of course, use this with a spool gun. This thing has a lot of options for using it, and you even get a couple of 110-volt outlets on the front of the thing. Personally, I like Lincoln Electric's welders. I really think this is a cool new redesign. I had the PowerMIG 255 previously, and I'm thinking this might be the replacement for that machine for me. If you found this video interesting, go ahead and drop it a like. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think of this Lincoln Electric machine? Do you like Lincoln welders? Do you prefer something else? Let me know what you're thinking in the comments down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel for more content like this from SEMA 2018 all week long. Thanks for coming around, folks.